The very outer bands of Hurricane Florence reached Ocean City earlier today, bringing powerful surf and the potential for flooding. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren reports with the impact for Maryland's coastline.
We're definitely feeling the wind now in Ocean City, and you can see the angry waves of the Atlantic behind me, although they only expect to get minor impacts from Hurricane Florence.
I mean, look at that stuff.
Strong waves lashed the beach in Ocean City.
It gets a little pissed off. It definitely does.
Winds along Maryland's coast picked up overnight, all from the massive Hurricane Florence.
Mother Nature is like playing her fury. They're like crashing really hard. If you got in there, you would like be thrown under.
We were walking down pretty far. We were a couple blocks that way, and it actually came up right to the wall.
Beach Patrol was on guard, and officials urged people to stay out of that high surf.
It's obviously a lot worse than yesterday since we're not allowed out in it. At least that's what the lifeguard said.
Yeah, he said we can get out, but we might not be able to come back in.
Even though Florence is several hundred miles south, it's so big, a large portion of the mid-Atlantic is feeling the storm's punch.
The rest of the storm is primarily tropical storm force winds, and those are winds over 39 miles per hour, and they go out 220, 245 miles from the eye.
And it's not just on the Atlantic coastline. The Coast Guard helped some people evacuate Smith Island along the Chesapeake Bay. Another vulnerable community, Crisfield, hit hard by Superstorm Sandy 6 years ago, could see tidal flooding again as Florence's winds push up water levels along the Chesapeake Bay. The Chincoteague and Assateague wild ponies are on their own for the storm, but instinctively seek higher ground. Back in Ocean City, crews are securing items that could blow away, but only expect slight flooding and a bit more wind from Florence. Officials here will monitor low-lying areas for possible flooding and those areas along the Chesapeake Bay. Reporting from the beach in Ocean City, Mike Helgren, WJZ.